If you want to protect your MailChimp sign-up forms from spam and fake signups, this tutorial will show you exactly how to enable reCAPTCHA in MailChimp in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your single opt-in forms and reduce automated submissions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your web browser and sign into your MailChimp account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This will take you to your audience dashboard where you can manage subscribers, forms, and audience settings. Now, in the top right corner of the audience page, click the More Options menu, which is the three-dot icon. From the drop-down list, select Audience Settings. This will open the settings page for the audience you're working with, and this is where MailChimp keeps the form and sign-up options. On the Audience Settings page, scroll down until you find the Form Settings section. This section is important because it contains the controls for your sign-up forms and how people subscribe to your list. Look carefully for the setting labeled reCAPTCHA for single opt-in forms. Once you find it, click the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, MailChimp will add a reCAPTCHA challenge to your single opt-in sign-up forms. That means users may need to complete a quick verification before submitting the form, which helps filter out spam bots and unwanted automated sign-ups. The best part is that MailChimp saves this setting automatically. There is no separate save button, so once the toggle is turned on, the change is applied right away. At this point, your forms are better protected and your audience list is much less likely to be filled with fake entries. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your page and double-check that the toggle is still enabled. It's also a good idea to test your sign-up form once after turning it on, just to make sure everything is working the way you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable reCAPTCHA in MailChimp to help prevent spam and improve the quality of your email list. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.